Welcome back and congratulations on hitting week 5. We're diving into what's happening with your baby and what changes you might start noticing in yourself. I'm Stephanie Poole, your go-to doula and lactation consultant, and I'm here to guide you through every week of pregnancy. Let's get into it. All right, so you're at 5 weeks, which means big things are happening inside, even if you're not feeling it yet. This is when your body is really starting to adapt to support that little one growing inside. And the changes are kind of amazing. So let's talk about your baby first. At 5 weeks, your little one is still tiny, about the size of an apple seed, but already they're developing at a crazy speed. Right now, their heart is starting to form and soon it'll begin beating. How amazing is that? This early heart development means your baby's circulatory system is starting to take shape. In fact, this week marks the beginning of major organs and systems forming. We're talking brain, spinal cord, muscles, and bones. It's like a tiny construction site in there. Now, let's talk about what you might be feeling. Every pregnancy is different, but around this time, it's common to start noticing some changes. You might be feeling some classic pregnancy symptoms. Think morning sickness, which can really hit you any time of the day, by the way, or maybe just a queasy feeling here and there. You might also notice your sense of smell is super sensitive, and suddenly that morning coffee smell could make you either happy or turn away. Another common one is fatigue. Growing a human is a lot of work, even at 5 weeks. So if you're feeling tired, give yourself permission to take naps or slow down a bit. Your body's working hard, even if it doesn't feel like it. Let's talk about something that a lot of pregnant moms wonder about. Is it normal to feel emotional or overwhelmed right now? The answer is absolutely yes. Hormones are starting to kick in, and it's totally normal to feel a bit more emotional or even a little worried. Remember, it's okay to have all these feelings. So, what can you do for yourself at 5 weeks? First, make sure you're getting in your prenatal vitamins if you haven't already started. The folic acid in them is really, really important for your baby's early brain and spinal development. Also, focus on hydration and balanced meals. Your body is going through so much, and even simple changes like keeping a water bottle nearby can make a big difference. And as far as exercise, gentle movement, even just a walk, can help with energy levels and mood. Here's a tip I love sharing with pregnant moms at this stage. Consider keeping a pregnancy journal. Even if it's just a few notes about how you're feeling, what symptoms you've been noticing, or maybe some dreams that you've been having. Looking back on this later can be really special. As you move forward from week 5, you'll keep experiencing new changes, both with your body and with your baby. But remember, everything that's happening right now is your body's way of nurturing and preparing for that beautiful baby who'll be here soon enough. And if you're ready for even more guidance, be sure to check out my Bump to Bundle Blueprint. It's designed specifically for moms like you who want to feel fully prepared for birth, postpartum, and breastfeeding. We go deep into every stage, making sure you feel confident and excited every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching, and congratulations again on reaching week 5. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode. We're in this together, mama. You've got this, and I'll see you next week for week 6 progress.